Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save media on Fluxer so you can easily keep photos, videos, and other files that people share in your chats. Now, when you're active in group chats or community channels, it's pretty common for people to share images, memes, videos, or important files. Now, instead of trying to scroll back through messages later, Fluxer lets you quickly save that media to your device so you can access it anytime. Now to do this, you want to simply open the conversation where the media was posted. And once you find the file you want to keep, you want to click on this one or tap on it to open the preview section. And from here, you want to look for the star icon at the top. Click this to add the file to your saved media. Now click save. And after selecting that option, the file will be immediately transferred to your saved media. So close this, click this, and as you can see, it's already here. Saving media can be really useful if someone shares something important like event details, documents, reference images, or even just a funny meme you want to keep. It also helps you avoid digging through long chat histories just to find the same file again later. And that's it. That's basically how you save media on Fluxer. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!